This is my drawing of Homer Simpson, and today I'll guide you through each of the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen or pencil and let's get started. Let's begin today's lesson on the top of our page with the eyes. We're going to start with the eye on the left. We're going to start from the very top. We're going to draw a circle that goes all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up towards the top. Now I want to move over towards the right side of the eye. We're going to draw the nose, but we want to give this a slight curve. So right here we're going to bend this up, round at the nose, and then pull that back in towards the eye. Let's draw that same size circle tucked in behind the eye and the nose. So we're going to start right up here in the middle, go all the way around. Now I want to pull this in towards the tip of the nose. Let's push the pupils towards the outside. So on the top left side, we're going to draw a small black dot. And then on the right side, we're going to move all the way over towards the end and do that again. Now we're going to draw the mouth area, starting from the bottom of the nose. We want to curve this out and then down towards the mouth. Now let's layer the mouth on top. We're going to step down, curve this around the lip, pull that in. Now we're going to add another curve coming down towards the bottom lip and then back up. Now in the middle, we're going to draw the number 6 for the inside of the mouth and then fill that bottom area in black. Let's go back underneath the eye. We're going to draw the cheek. We're going to bend this out and then in. Now I'm going to go all the way over towards the nose and we're going to draw the outside edge of the muzzle. We're going to go around, come down toward the chin, and I want to pull that back up underneath the lower lip. Let's go up above the right eye. On the outside, we're going to draw the brow, bend this around and in, and I'll draw the top of the head. And go up towards the left. That's going to round up the head. Bring this all the way around the outside, come down, and then in towards the ear. Let's layer the ear on top. So we're going to step in, we're going to draw the letter C, going around and then up. Add a fold across the top, and then in the center, we're going to bend this down. Let's go back up to the top and add those hairs. On the right side of the forehead, we go up, bend this down across the head. Now in between, we're going to add another one. We're going to go up and then down. Let's continue the curve of the head underneath the ear, bend this around and then down towards the neck. Now from here, we draw the collar, bend this up and then in underneath the chin, bend the collar coming down, and we'll bend this up and then out. Let's go underneath the chin. We're going to draw a straight line coming down in behind the collar. Up above the ear, we're going to draw the letter M. We're going to go up, up, and then back down. Now let's move down and stretch the arms out towards the side. From the edge of the collar, we're going to step in. We're going to curve the shoulder. We're going to go up and then out. Let's round up the shoulder, coming down and then out towards the bottom. Round up the arm, coming down and then in. Now let's curve the back. Underneath the arm, bend this out and then down. Let's go back up to the top. We're going to leave a small gap, draw the collar, bend this out, and this up in behind the arm. Now I'm going to move over, draw the front of the body. Underneath the collar, bend this out and then down towards the belly. Add another curve, going out and then down towards the same height. Now I want to connect these two lines with a curve coming down the middle and then back up. Let's add the back collar. From the neck, going straight out, bend this down, and then in behind the body. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the arm on the right side. So underneath the collar, bend this up and out. Now I want to curve this out and then down. Bend the bottom of the arm coming down and then back in. Let's draw the same length arms out towards the side. From the top of the sleeve, step down, bend this out, and then up towards the wrist. Let's step down on the right side and do the same thing. From the wrist, we're going to draw the thumb. We're going to curl this around, out, and then curl that in, and then add a curve for the palm. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going all the way around the thumb, pull that back in, add a curve for the palm. Now we're going to go down to the bottom of the sleeve. We're going to draw the outside of the arm, pull this up towards the wrist, right about there, and we'll do the same thing on the right, going up towards the top. Now let's go back to the left side. We're going to draw that first finger. We're going to come around into a fist, come down like drawing an oval, and then back up towards the top. Let's layer 2 more fingers on top. From here, going up and then down, and we'll do that one more time. Now I want to do the exact same thing on the right. So we're going to draw that first finger coming around toward the top, in towards the thumb, then curl it back up. And we'll add 2 more fingers. Now we're going to move down and draw the lower torso. From the bottom of the shirt, we're going to step in, curl this down, and then in. Let's go over towards the right side. Stepping in, we're going to curve the belly, coming across, and then in towards the middle. Now from here, we're going to bend the leg. Coming down, and then over. Let's go to the back of the body, draw that same curve, going down towards the same height. And then we want to round out the bottom. Let's move over and draw the same curve, the back leg, coming around and then down, and then curves down and then back in. Let's add a seam across the bottom on both sides. Now with the legs in place, we're going to draw on the feet. Let's start with the one on the left from the heel, then it's out and then down, come across. Now I want to add a notch. I'm going to go up and then down, continue the curve of the foot going up towards the toe, bend this up and then in. Let's go back to the heel, angle this up and in, and then we'll fill that area in black. Now let's draw the same shoe on the back side from the toe, bend this up and out, and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Homer Simpson. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.